Hello kids, good afternoon. My name is Priyanka and I am taking your English period today. Okay, so we are going to learn new letters. Which letter we are going to learn today? Letter O and letter P. First, we will revise all the letters and their phonic sound. So you have to say after me first. What is the first letter of alphabet? A. What? A. Come on, say after me, everyone. A says a. A for apple. B says b. B for ball. C says c. C for cat. D says duck. D for dog. E says ant. E for elephant. F says fur. F for fish. G says go. G for goat. H says her. H for hat. J says jar. H after? Who will tell me H after? Am I right? Am I right? I am telling you J. This is right? No. H के बाद क्या आता है? I. Yes. You have to correct me, no? Yes. आपको correct करना है मुझे. Then I. I says E. I for igloo. Then after J. J says jaw. J for jug. K says k. K for kite. L says l. L for lion. M says m. M for monkey. N says n. N for nose. And then we are going to learn today letter O. O says a. First, we will introduce our school name. What is our school name, everyone? Super 30 Kids. What is our school name? Super 30 Kids. If anyone asks you, what is your school name? Then you have to tell them, my school name is, say after me, my school name is Super 30 Kids. My school name is Super 30 Kids. Yes, and today's date is Tuesday. 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 We learned the days of the week. Come on, let's revise the days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We have 7 days of the week in a week. Now today's date. What is today's date? Today is 18. 18th August. 18th August 2020. And which subject we are going to take today? English. 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 So student, here we have to draw first capital O. How to write capital O? So we have to start from the top point and make a big circle. This is capital O. What is it? Capital O. O says up. O for orange. O says up. O for orange. Now here we will draw the orange, okay? This is orange. What is it? Orange. Yes. Now, how to write O in 4-line book? This is your notebook page. What is it? Your notebook page. Here we have 4 lines. Look here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many lines we have here? 4 lines. First is pink, then blue, again one blue line, and then pink line. Like this 4 lines we have here. So we have to start from the pink line. Which line we have to start? Pink line to blue line. जो लास्ट वाली blue line है ना, वहाँ तक हमें draw करना है. Start from the pink line and make a big circle. This is the capital O. What is it? Capital O. Now everyone, you have to say after me. O says up. O for orange. O says up. O for orange. O says up. O for ostrich. This is a capital O. Capital O we have to write in a 3 lines. Okay everyone? Now we are taking small o. How to write small o? We have to do same thing. Here one small circle we have to draw. This is a small o. Capital O, small o. O says up. O for orange. O says up. O for ostrich. Yes. Now how to write small o in 4 lines? Here also we are having 2 lines only. How many lines we are going to use? 2 lines. Here we have 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pink, blue, blue and pink. But small o we are going to write in only 2 lines. Means 2 blue lines we have to write. 2 blue lines. This like this. O. 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 O says up. O for orange. Like this we have to write O. Did you get that everyone? Now everyone, we are going to learn letter P. Capital P. How to write capital P? First, we have to draw here one standing line. What we have to draw? One standing line. Then join one half circle. Then join one half circle. This is a letter P. This is a letter P. P says P. P says P. P for pencil. P says P. P for pencil. P says P. P for pen. So many things of letter P here. Yes. Now next is how to write P in 4 lines. Here we have 4 lines. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4. First is pink, blue, blue and pink. We have to start with the pink line. Draw one standing line. And from top we have to draw one half circle. This is a capital P. P says P. P says P. Come on, say after me everyone. P says P. P for parrot. P says P. P for pigeon. P says P. P for peacock. P says P. is a capital P. Now we are going to write a small p. How to write small p? From this point we have to write standing line and the half circle. Again, this is small p. We have to draw it small. Yes. Okay. So here from blue line we have to start. From blue line, standing line till pink line and half circle. Standing line, half circle. Standing line, half circle. Standing line, half circle. Standing line, half circle. P says P for parrot. This is the capital P and the small p. P says P. P says P. P for pencil. P for pencil. Yes, again and again you have to repeat it. So students, here we have some pictures. Okay. So you have to identify the picture and tell me the correct letter. Okay. So which picture is this? Who will tell me which picture is this? This is grapes. What? Grapes. G. Means which letter we have to write here? G. Yes. Capital G. Small g. Yes. G says G. G for grapes. Now here, what is it? What is this? Who will tell me? This is apple. What is it? Apple. A says A for apple. So what I have to write here? Capital A, small a. Now what is it? This is a ball. B says B for ball. We have to write here capital B and small b. Now who will tell me what is it? This is ice cream. Everyone's like ice cream. So, which letter came here? Tell me. Yes, I says E. I for ice cream. Capital I, small I. Then this is leaf. What is it? Leaf. So, क्या है यहाँ पर? What? Which letter we should write here? L. L says L for leaf. Capital L and small l. Then next is M. M for mango. M says M for mango. We have to write here capital M and small m. Then what is it? This is a orange. Orange. Now we learned that letter no. So which letter is this? O. Capital O. Small o. O says O for orange. This is nose. N says no. N for nose. And next is hat. Which letter is this? H. H says H for hat. Capital H and small h. So if I will give you this question, then you have to write like this. You have to identify the picture first, then identify the phonic sound, and then you have to write capital also and small also. Okay everyone? Suppose this is grapes, no, so we have to remember it's grapes, G, and then we have to write here capital G and the small g. Grapes, G. Then apple, apple, A. Ball, B. E, ice cream, I. L, L, leaf, mango, M. O, orange, O. Nose, N. Hat, H. Understand everyone? So you have to identify the picture like this. Now everyone, we are going to learn two letter words. नाउ लेटर सीख रहे हैं हम धीरे धीरे. यस और नो? A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P. This letter we learned till today. So इससे भी हमें 2 letter words बनाने की कोशिश करनी है. So we learn letter A, letter M. So A और M को अगर हम ज्वाइन करते हैं तो कौन सा वर्ड होता है? AM, am. Which word came? AM, am. So we have to write here in 2 lines. Only small letters we are going to use here for word. AM, am. Write A, write am. AM, am. So here I gave you place. You have to write in a good handwriting. AM, am. Like that you have to read it also and write it also. AM, am. AM, am. Okay. So next word is an. What? An. An. Read it also, write it also. An. Next word is do. Do. What we have to call her? Do. 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 Now no. No. This all letter we learned till today. That's why I give you this 2 letter words. So we have to read it, learn it and write it properly. Again we have to read it. Come on. AM, am. AM, am. DO, do. NO, no. Like that we have to write it and read it and learn it also. Yes. So everyone, did you get that? How to write letter O and letter P? Yes. And identify the picture and write the correct letter. Yes. आपको वो भी समझ में आया है अभी. It is for only reading and learning. Okay. ये आपको बस read करना है and learn करना है. This is small words. That's why we have to learn it. So here our session is closed, finished. So bye bye everyone. Take care.